The 2026 Winnebago EKKO 23B continues Winnebago's trend of blending modern styling with practical touring comfort, and its exterior design immediately reflects that direction. The motorhome in your image shows a clean, aerodynamic front cap and a streamlined body profile that helps improve both fuel efficiency and highway stability. Its compact footprint makes it approachable even for drivers who are new to Class C-style RVs. Despite its modest size, the EKKO 23B delivers a surprising sense of presence on the road. The tall sidewalls, integrated awning, and angular graphics give it a fresh, sporty look. The front end, built on a European-style chassis, offers good visibility, smooth contours, and easy maneuverability, especially in tighter campgrounds or city areas. This makes the 23B a strong choice for travelers who want the maneuverability of a van with the comfort of a motorhome. Inside, the layout of the 23B focuses on efficient use of space, something Winnebago has refined over many generations of compact RVs. The designers have worked hard to ensure that the living area feels open and connected, with windows placed strategically to bring in natural light. Even though the floor plan is compact, the interior avoids feeling cramped thanks to smart furniture placement and multi-purpose components. The lounge area in this model is often a highlight. The seating is arranged to support both relaxation and dining without needing constant reconfiguration. The cushions tend to be firm yet comfortable, supporting long road trips and evening rest periods equally well. The ability to convert the lounge into an additional sleeping space adds versatility for families or guests. The galley is another strong point, providing a functional cooking setup with a combination cooktop, a generous sink, and compact but practical storage. Despite being smaller than those in larger Class C models, the 23B's kitchen feels intuitive and efficient. The countertop materials and cabinetry finishes also feel more premium than expected in this size class. Sleeping comfort is well addressed in the EKKO 23B. The main bed is designed to offer good support and space efficiency, making it suitable for extended travel. With its well-ventilated sleeping area and insulated cabin, the coach remains comfortable in warm or cool weather. Many owners appreciate how the bed doesn't require constant folding or rearranging, allowing for an easy nighttime routine. The bathroom configuration is one of the more interesting aspects of this model. Winnebago often uses a wet bath or a convertible wall system to save space, and the 23B follows a similar philosophy. While compact, the bathroom is designed to maximize utility, offering enough elbow room for showers and daily hygiene without sacrificing too much interior space. Storage is always a key consideration in smaller RVs, and the EKKO 23B performs well in this area. From overhead cabinets to exterior compartments, it offers practical places for gear, clothing, tools, and travel essentials. The rear storage, in particular, is surprisingly deep, allowing travelers to bring outdoor equipment or bulky accessories on long trips. Driving performance is a major strength of this motorhome. Built on a lightweight, modern chassis, the 23B offers a smooth, car-like driving experience. Steering is responsive, the suspension handles road imperfections well, and the turning radius is comfortable for a vehicle of this class. Fuel efficiency is also better than many older Class C models, making it ideal for long-distance travel. Tech integration is another area where Winnebago has improved over the years. The EKKO 23B typically includes a modern infotainment system, rear-view camera, navigation support, and compatibility with smartphone platforms. These features help reduce driver fatigue and enhance overall safety while traveling unfamiliar routes. Climate control in the 23B is designed to support multiple seasons, with heating, cooling, and insulation built to maintain comfort regardless of destination. For travelers planning winter trips or exploring higher altitudes, the four-season engineering is a welcome upgrade, keeping systems running even in colder environments. Off-grid capability is an important consideration for modern RV users, and the EKKO 23B supports this lifestyle with its electrical setup. Its battery system, solar readiness, and efficient power management make it suitable for boondocking weekends or extended stays away from traditional campgrounds. This flexibility appeals to adventure-focused travelers who don't want to rely heavily on hookups. One area where the EKKO 23B may feel limited is overall interior space. While cleverly designed, the motorhome remains compact, and some travelers may prefer a larger Class C if they plan to spend long stretches of time indoors. The wet bath configuration may also be a point of preference, as some users favor a full dry bath layout. Maintenance of this motorhome tends to be straightforward thanks to its modern platform, although service for certain chassis components may require visiting specific authorized centers. The overall build quality is robust, and Winnebago's long-standing reputation provides confidence in long-term reliability. Overall, the 2026 Winnebago EKKO 23B strikes an excellent balance between size, comfort, drivability, and versatility. It's well suited for couples, solo travelers, and small families looking for a compact Class C that still feels like a real motorhome rather than an expanded van. With its sharp exterior, efficient interior design, and travel-friendly features, it stands out as a capable and